Advanced mode. This mode contains much more settings and features than simple mode. The dashboard screen is used during the VPN connection. On the VPN list screen, you can see all available nodes and filters for them. Each line in this table represents an agent's offering. By clicking on the hash, you can get full information on each offering. Let's go over all the columns briefly. Availability shows whether or not the agent of this offering is available. Availability is checked through the Tor network. Block is a blockchain block in which this offering is published. Offering hash and agent address is a unique numbers of agent and offering. Country and IP type are the values that the agent specified when publishing the offer. It is possible to check their correctness only by connecting to the agent, since IP addresses in the private network are hidden. Motivation for the agent to publish correct data is following. Client can see IP after connection, and if its country or type doesn't match the declared, client can downgrade agent's rating. Max traffic is the maximum amount of traffic that a client can use during a single connection. Supply that's how many connections this offer can serve. Rating. To calculate the rating, an algorithm similar to PageRank is used. The later the offer was created, the higher it will be in the table. The agent can use the pop-up function to raise its offer. Let's see how check availability works. Next, I'll show you how the filters work. Filter by offering hash, filter by price, by IP type, and by country. The next screen is history. The channels on this screen can be in two states: waiting for termination and finished. Here you can see the full information about the channel, and if it's necessary you can terminate it manually. In case of manual termination, you will spend F on the transaction and downgrade the agent's rating. From the channel screen, you can go to the offering screen and watch its basic data. On the logs screen, you can view the controller logs. You can use filters. You can export them to a file. Another option is that you can export all application logs to a file. We call this a dump. It is the file that should be sent to the support. From the Accounts window, you can check your balance, create a backup which will be encrypted using your password, and go to your account. From here, you can perform the operation of transferring the funds from the account to the marketplace and back. You can change the gas price or leave it as recommended. At the bottom of the screen, there are links to all transactions from this account. All relevant application settings are collected in the Settings screen. Now they are read-only, but in the next release we will allow you to edit them. Thank you for watching.